In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an iframe in a Wix site. To get started, open the Wix site builder and navigate to the exact page you want to edit. This is important because any embedded content you add will appear on the page you currently have open. Before inserting anything, take a quick moment to confirm you're working in the right section of your site so you don't have to move or recreate the element later. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand navigation bar and click the Add Elements icon, shown with a plus sign. This menu gives you access to the different types of content and tools you can place on your page. From there, hover over or click Embed Code. In the available options, find the section for popular embeds, then choose Embed HTML. As soon as you select it, Wix will place a gray placeholder box directly onto your canvas. This box represents the area where your iframe content will appear once the code is added. Next, click Enter Code from the settings pop-up attached to that box. When the code window opens, make sure the code option is selected. This step matters because you want Wix to read the embedded HTML exactly as it's written. Now paste your third-party iframe code into the text field. Be careful to use the full exact code provided by the external platform so the embed works correctly. After pasting it in, click Update to apply the changes. At this point, your embedded content should begin loading inside the placeholder area. To make it fit your design properly, click and drag the bounding handles around the element to adjust its width and height. Try to size it carefully so nothing gets cut off. Especially if the iframe contains text, forms, maps, videos, or other interactive widgets. Giving the element enough space helps it look cleaner and function better for visitors on your site. As you resize it, keep your page layout in mind. Make sure the iframe sits comfortably within the surrounding content and doesn't overlap other sections. If needed, reposition it on the canvas so it aligns with the rest of your design. A little extra attention here can make the final result look much more polished and professional. Once everything looks right, your iframe is embedded and ready as part of your Wix page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.